Not sure how much of this I'm even going to be able to get on this camera, but let's see what we can do. Alright, so I cleaned this joker all up. Just like the metal ring that it mounts in, and then this. One thing on this that maybe I should have paid attention to is there's letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And it goes to J. K. They missed a letter. I don't know. That's really weird that they missed I? I don't get it. It must mean something. I thought it was all those. I didn't realize it wasn't. Correct. Okay. So this mounts right back in here. Doesn't really want to cooperate, does it? So what's going on here is this really is a little on the finicky side, huh? Pull those two in as far as I can. Really close now. Two are lining up. Gosh, they don't make that easy. Gosh, I don't know how you're ever going to get that right. So they all need to like suck in at the center. Let's see, this one suck in. Damn, dude. Just a little tap. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. There is two. What's wrong? Oh, son of a bitch. What the fuck is wrong with that thing?